You can turn on the post view history on the TikTok app fast, completely for free. If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. TikTok app on your iPhone or Android device. TikTok has
He's
been
my
opened up on your
sister, you stupid piece.
Video, go to the bottom right hand screen, profile, and up to the top right hand screen and click these three icons or the dashes. Last option or the fourth option, settings and privacy. The cool part comes in if you scroll down, scroll up, you want the second option which says privacy. Here, scroll down, you see the interactions tab and go all the way down until you see the option under favorite sounds and above blocked accounts. This will basically say your viewer post history or see who has seen or viewed your profile in the last 30 days. If it's checked or colored blue, it's that it's enabled, but if it's colored gray, it's disabled. It's enabled, click back, and then back one more time, scroll down. You can see on the top right hand screen the shoe icon. This allowed you to enable the TikTok free post view tab completely for free.